Parliament as well. We have breaking news coming in. So it's Mallikarjun Kharge who's condemned the attack on Farooq Abdullah. Kharge has slammed the centre over the particular attack. Basically, on this assassination bid at Farooq Abdullah, Kharge has raised the issue in Rajya Sabha. He said that government doesn't want who wants, basically, that's a question he has raised, to assassinate Farooq. He goes on to say, and a very serious allegation at this point of time, that the government is targeting secular leaders in J&K. Listen in exactly to what Mallikarjun Kharge had to say. Okay, so before we play that out, we have another breaking news coming in because it's a sequence, viewers. When Kharge raised this particular issue, there is a response from JP Nadda as well. It's a first reaction of the government. Nadda has basically responded. This is in the upper house itself, which we were mentioning in response to what Kharge had to say. It's JP Nadda who says that security for Farooq is going to be enhanced, and he has said that the probe into the attack is going to take place, that motive is going to be determined, also advising the opposition not to politicize this issue.
कश्मीर में फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब के ऊपर हमला किया गया है और तो हमला किया गया है और उनकी सुरक्षा खतरे में है। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर खत्म हो रहा है और इम्पोर्टेंट लीडर्स को मारे जाने की मंसूख कर रहे हैं। अगर थोड़े दूर एक ही मिनट अगर होता तो फारूक अब्दुल्ला को मार देते थे। कि क्या गवर्नमेंट का इरादा है कि फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब को मारने का? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट वहां पर बनेगी तभी लोग सुरक्षित रहेंगे। आपके हाथ में कश्मीर के लोग सुरक्षित नहीं है।
सभापति जी, कल जो रात घटना घटी है, जम्मू कश्मीर के वरिष्ठ नेता और देश के भी वरिष्ठ नेता श्रीमान फारूक अब्दुल्ला जी, जो कई बार मुख्यमंत्री रहे, उन पर जानलेवा हमला हुआ। ये बहुत ही चिंता का विषय है और ये बहुत ही गंभीर मामला है। भारत सरकार इस बारे में बहुत गंभीर है और मैं भारत सरकार की ओर से इस बात का विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि जितनी भी इसमें इंक्वायरी की आवश्यकता होगी वो पूरी की जाएगी और जो दोषी है जिसे पकड़ लिया गया है उसके मंसूबों को भी बहुत गहराई से उसकी जानकारी ली जाएगी। हर बात को राजनीतिक चश्मे से देखना और उसको पॉलिटिकल एंगल देना यह उचित नहीं है।
Okay, Niyamika, my colleague is joining us on the phone line. Niyamika, the attack or assassination bid on Farooq Abdullah seems to have resonated in the upper house. Kharge levelling some very serious allegation against the centre and the BJP. It's JP Nadda who responded to him. Take us through this entire sequence, the questions which had been raised by the Congress and how the centre countered it.
Well, yes, indeed, the Congress party has raised the matter of an assassination attempt upon Mr. Farooq Abdullah, as it is the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, who had raised a concern the way in which this attack had been done yesterday, calling it unfortunate. However, he has questioned the government of India regarding this entire matter, stating that such an important leader is also not very safe in our country, only because of the statehood which is being taken away from the Jammu and Kashmir, and for that reason he had also demanded that there should be a full security which must be provided to Mr. Farooq Abdullah after this attack has taken place. However, soon after that, Mr. JP Nadda has also responded over the same, and he has also stated that it is not right to give it a political angle the way in which this entire thing has taken place yesterday, putting allegations on the ruling government are completely baseless, and he has stated that it is not right on the part of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge to make such kind of allegations against the BJP government at centre.
All right, Niyamika, thank you for joining us with all these updates.